How to create Bitcoin.com wallet account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create Bitcoin.com wallet account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is install the Bitcoin.com app. This is what the app looks like. You can easily get this from your app store. After you download the app, simply open it up. Now, after you open this up, this will be the first interface that you'll be on. After you're here, simply tap on the settings on the bottom right corner. And after you tap on settings, you should see the sign in option that is on the top. Now you can tap on sign in to create a Bitcoin account or simply sign in. So after you tap on that, you will see the sign into Bitcoin page. Now right here, what you will need to do is enter your email. You can also sign in using your Apple account or your Google account. I'll just type in my email. And after you type in your email, you will get a mail sent. So you're gonna head over to your mail. Let me just head over to my mail. And this is what the mail looks like. All you need to do now is tap on continue. And after you tap on continue, you will get logged in into your Bitcoin.com account. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.